Guangzhou Elephant Digital Technology Co., Ltd. was established in 2004. It is a technology-based enterprise, focuses on digital sublimation printing equipment and consumables. Since its establishment, the company has been committed to providing customers with sublimation printer machine, roller heat press machine, and a series of sublimation printing equipment. It also has rich experience in technical services. Now we have been the general agent of Epson in South China. Guangzhou Elephant Digital Technology Co., Limited takes the quality first. The prestige is supreme. As its purpose, looking forward to win-win cooperation with you.